Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
Skyline Arch trailhead. Oh yeah, that's it. You can see it back there. That's better. There you go. 0.2 miles to, not to the arch. The trail doesn't take you to the arch. You can't really hike up there. They won't let you. But it takes you to a viewpoint where you can actually see the arch better. You can see it from here. There it is. Skyline Arch. There's none. All right, so we're gonna keep going down the road and what you said? Yeah, you can see the clouds in the sky up there. That's what they call a skyline. All right, well, let's go to the next one. All right, and we are in Devil's Garden, which is towards, this is the very end turnaround point of the scenic road. And yeah, that's the turnaround way. There are campgrounds over there. You're not allowed to drive from there unless you're staying there. Bathrooms, and here's the trail. Do is Tunnel Arch and Pine Tree Arch. And we're gonna come back. Yeah, it's like a entry door. It's kind of cool. You walk through here, and then we're gonna have two arches on the right. Oh yeah, really cool. Yeah, a straight up wall. Yeah. That's impressive. Wow, you feel like a little ant walking between here. Yeah. I'm using wide angle so you can get a perspective and you can see it better. You know, Devil's Garden is a beautiful trail. It really is. You get the walls, you get some trees. Check this out. But it's beautiful. All right, very close to the two arches. But look at the view from here before we even get there. Check it out. Wow. Yeah, you're right. Nani's right. There's an arch over there. All right, Nan just spotted one of the far arches right over there. You guys see it right there? Let's see if we can get this closer. Yeah, there we go. See the arch right there? There you go. That's really far away. That's about 3 miles away that we're not gonna do today with 100 degrees. All right. I think we spotted it right here on the right. See it? There we go. There it is. There you go. Now it's gonna be right there. Let's take a picture. All right, let me see what's out here. What's out there? I'm just gonna take a video, okay? Well, look at this. Look at this arch. Wow, look at this. Right? Very cool. None wants to check out the view back here. Let's see. It is a nice view. You can see the arch from the opposite side. Oh yeah, there you go. There we go, that's the opposite side. There's the view from the other side. Can you see those holes? Wow, yeah, this is cool. Look at those rock formations at the end. Devil's Garden. We're gonna see it from far away. I didn't think we were gonna see it, but we are. And that is Devil's Garden.
Sandy, that's a sandy.
Yeah,
Sandy.
it is super sandy.
Wow, sand very fine.
Fine sand. All right. We're gonna check out tunnel.
Careful right there.
We're gonna check out Tunnel Arch. All right, and there is Tunnel Arch. Let me stop and zoom in. It doesn't look like a tunnel. Yeah, you have to look at it from the viewpoint. Let's do that. All right, we're in Tunnel Arch viewpoint, and there's Tunnel Arch. And you see in the top left corner of the screen, you can see another arch that's actually broken through. But yeah, it's already broken through. You can see the light coming through it. Let me get where none is. See if I can get a better view. Yeah, so we can see it a little bit better. See that right there? It's broken through. So that's another arch, and I don't know what the name is. There, Tunnel Arch. There it is. In the Devil's Garden Trail. Right off to the right of the trail. The wind is picking up.
You're good.
Feels great, eh? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and head back and figure out if we're gonna do delicate arch right now, or if we're gonna wait a little bit later and see it for sunset. What do you think, honey? It's almost 4 o'clock. Yeah, we'll go to the car, check the temperature, drive over there, check the temperature there, and then we'll make a decision on whether we're going to do it right now or for sunset, or none at all. Oh, sorry. Okay, go run. Let me get there. Okay.
Hey, come down here.
Look at Nan. Insisted to get up there. Go ahead, you got it. Yay! All right, let's see where Nun is heading to. Nun isn't going up on the sand dunes. Yeah, it's got a dead end. Huh? Wow. All right. Yeah. Yeah, the wind comes through here.
It's not cold.
Yeah, they're cold. There you go. This is very furnace. You need a hiking permit to hike here. We don't have one, so we're just gonna show you where it's at. It's beautiful. The rocks. How they're painted. Well painted. That's a figure of speech, of course. Right here, parking lot. Bathrooms over there. And we are in panoramic viewpoint according to the map that they give us at the entrance. And this right here, what you're seeing right there, that valley is Salt Valley. And there you go, this is how it was formed. See? And that's where we are. You can see the Salt Valley right there. Not bad, huh? Give you a quick 360 of where we are. Again, parking. Awesome. Great view. That is where Double Arch is, where we just came from. Picnic tables, bathrooms. Cool stuff. Great place to stop.